Linksys EA7500 Wi-Fi not working? Try this. 1. Restart your router, power off the router, wait 30 seconds, then power it back on to clear temporary glitches. 2. Check physical connections, ensure the power adapter and Ethernet cables are securely connected to the router and modem. 3. Reset Wi-Fi settings, reboot connected devices to refresh their Wi-Fi connection or forget and reconnect to the network. 4. Update router firmware, access the router's web interface to check and install any available firmware updates for improved performance. 5. Reset the router, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds to restore factory settings, then reconfigure. 6. Check for interference, ensure the router is placed away from walls, metal objects, or other devices that may cause signal interference. 7. Change Wi-Fi channel, log into the router settings and switch the Wi-Fi channel to avoid congestion. 8. Test a wired connection, connect a device directly to the router via Ethernet to determine if the issue is Wi-Fi specific.